Cracks in brick, cracks in block, sticking windows or doors. Settling or sinking foundation, it's a fact. Foundation problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
This is the afternoon edition of the Daily Weather Briefing video. I'm James Spann. This is for Tuesday, the 16th of August. Alabama's weather fairly quiet today, although we've got some severe thunderstorms rumbling through parts of southwest Alabama, specifically parts of Mobile and Baldwin counties this afternoon. And the tropics somewhat interesting today, so let's get right into it and talk about it. This is the upper air look across the country today. Again, we have a northwest flow aloft here. And that is going to keep disturbances coming into the state from the north and west. And again, we have a stalled surface boundary on top of that is currently across the central counties of the state, kind of setting up a wide variety of conditions across Alabama this afternoon. There's a look at the visible satellite view. For North Alabama, some clouds for about the northern quarter of the state. Central Alabama, nothing but sunshine. And then down in southwest Alabama, in advance of that front, we have a number of showers and thunderstorms in progress. So again, the weather conditions are quite variable across the state this afternoon. We'll check the radar composite, and that was the view as of the moment I'm doing this update, about 2:42. A little light rain across the Tennessee Valley. That's with a disturbance coming in that northwest flow aloft. And again, ahead of that surface front, we have showers and thunderstorms in progress down in parts of southwest Alabama. Here's a look at the Mobile radar, and as I do this update, we have a severe thunderstorm warning that is in effect until 3:15 for the northern part of Mobile and Baldwin counties. This is basically for that cluster of storms that is over the Mobile Delta, north of the city of Mobile. And again, those are moving to the southeast. So those storms are coming down toward Bay Minette and Stapleton and Loxley and Interstate 10. And the main concern, strong straight line winds with that. So again, that's a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for the northern part of Mobile and Baldwin counties. And again, there's a look at the rest of the activity, and you can clearly pick out that front running from near Butler and Choctaw County down to about Monroeville and Andalusia. Now, all of the activity is south of there. And again, we'll check the radar up in the Tennessee Valley, and you can see just a little light rain. In fact, some moderate rain coming down toward the shoals now in parts of Lauderdale County. A lot of that's going to really stay north of the Tennessee River. And again, the central part of the state is relatively quiet as I do this update. So temperatures all over the board. We've got some spots in the low 80s. In fact, let's look at the region. You can see Huntsville is at 78. Birmingham at 85, north of that front. South of that front, it's a hot, humid afternoon, 94 for Montgomery, Mobile, and Dothan. And again, there is a heat advisory for Washington, Mobile, and Baldwin counties in the far southwestern corner of the state. That's where the heat index might be clipping 105 today. But other than that, pretty quiet across the country. Some heat issues out west, but again, fairly calm day today. This is the severe weather outlook through tonight. A marginal risk clipping that southwest corner of the state in advance of the surface boundary. And again, the area is in darker green. The main concern down there coming from strong winds. This is tomorrow. Got a marginal risk across the Gulf Coast region. Again, this is level 1 out of level 5. In Alabama, that marginal risk is basically south of a line from near Utah to about Raymer and Eufaula. Areas in darker green. Same thing. Main concern, strong winds. And then on day 3, which is Thursday, no organized severe weather expected across the country. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. And again, every day, of course, rain distribution is not even here in the summer. One side of town gets drenched, the other side of town gets nothing. But on an average basis, most of you should see 1 to 2 inches of rain between now and Tuesday morning of next week. So in the tropics, we've got this little feature in the far western Caribbean, basically on the coast of Central America, Nicaragua. And that feature will be traversing inland across Central America and Mexico. And if anything survives that, the wave comes out across the Bay of Campeche. That's the far southwestern Gulf of Mexico by the time the weekend gets here on Saturday and Sunday. And it might try and get its act together there if anything survives. Right now, the Hurricane Center giving it a 20% chance of development over the next 5 days. But again, you can see the rest of the Atlantic Basin just quiet as could be. So model fans, let's go. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4 o'clock. And again, you can see that we've got a trough that's over the east and northeastern states and a northwest flow aloft here. And again, we think that front that's over South Alabama will slowly dissipate, and moisture will be increasing statewide. And we'll probably see a few scattered showers and storms anywhere in the state. Again, it's not going to be especially widespread. I'd say the chance of any one spot getting a storm tomorrow will be in the 40% bracket, about 4 out of 10, and highs in the mid to upper 80s, which is below average for this time of the year. This is Thursday, and looks kind of dry here off the GFS, but I'm not so sure I totally buy that. We'll have a moist, unstable air mass in place. So again, we'll kind of leave it like tomorrow. Scattered showers and storms. A mixture of clouds and sunshine, highs mid to upper 80s. We'll go to day 4, and this is Friday. Moisture levels starting to increase. And again, we got high school football coming up Friday night, and for the games, the high school season starting, which is hard to believe, but there could be a thunderstorm. There's conceivable there might be a lightning delay at some stadiums, but not all stadiums. It'll be scattered. And for the weekend, just moist, muggy, cloudy at times, scattered to numerous showers and storms about Saturday and Sunday with highs in the, again, mid to upper 80s. The sun out at times, not a washout for the weekend, but you'll have to deal with a passing shower or storm occasionally. There's Monday, still looks pretty moist, and this is a week from today, Tuesday, the 23rd. Little trough to the north, and again, a number of showers and thunderstorms around. That could be a fairly wet start to the week next week on Monday and Tuesday. Let's go out 10 days. This is Friday of next week, August the 26th, troughing northeast of here, and that looks typical, although temperatures will probably be a bit below average, but a few scattered showers and storms around. This is rain for Birmingham coming off the GFS ensemble, looking for the green line. The GFS not quite as bullish as the European global model. It's got rain amounts about 2.5 to 3 inches between now and the 1st of September. Wow, that's the first day of meteorological fall. And look at here. This is coming from the National Blend of Models. Temperatures holding below 90 for the next 10 days. We should throw a party. I mean, this is August. We should be baking this time of the year. Highs most days between 86 and 88, right on through Friday of next week. And the latest 8 to 14-day outlook in the house, this is for August 23rd through the 29th. We're in the blue, which means temperatures will likely be a little below average, and of course we can certainly celebrate that. So I guess you saw the waterspout video this morning. Pretty remarkable. This was the one from Boo Freeman down at Destin, and that's just incredible. Wow. It almost looks like CGI, some kind of computer-generated effects here, but that is real. And, you know, there are different kinds of water spouts. Most of the ones you see down there this time of the year, they are the fair weather water spouts from cumulus clouds and kind of a sunny day. This is not one of those. This is a tornadic-type water spout, and that would be dangerous if it would move inland. Thankfully, this one, to my knowledge, did not. Here's another great video of this, and again, thanks to everybody for all of these remarkable images that came in today. So many pictures and videos of this remarkable water spout. And again, I've been on the road today, and I want to go back and look at the radar data in the next few hours here and correlate the radar data with this particular thunderstorm. Typically, you don't have tornadic water spouts this time of the year on the Gulf Coast. They're fair weather water spouts. But there could have been some type of boundary that had the winds backed around and got some of the updraft rotating here, creating that. But again, pretty remarkable sight to start the day. That was, I want to say, around 6:30, 6:45 this morning. What a way to start the day on the Gulf Coast. And hey, let's roll some kid cam video here. I was down in McKenzie, South Butler County, where I come from. Saw the kids in the 3rd and 4th grade at McKenzie School, and we had a blast today. Talking about the science of meteorology. We had a great time. And a lot of folks know that I grew up in that part of the world. All my people are from Chapman, Georgiana, Ebenezer, Industry. And again, this is down in McKenzie. But those kids were just absolutely great today. So to all the teachers and the students in McKenzie School in Butler County, Alabama, thanks a lot for that great visit earlier today. So that's going to do it for the weather briefing video this afternoon. We'll have notes over on the blog. That's alabamawx.com. By the way, book signing this weekend, don't forget. We will be in Winfield on Saturday. And we're going to be there from 10 until 2 at Aroma's Cafe. We'll have All you can do is pray, which is the book about April 27, 2011. We'll have Weathering Life. You can learn about my Butler County adventures in that book. It's my autobiography, and we'll have the shirts and the hats and all the cool weather stuff. So Winfield Aromas Cafe, Saturday 10 to 2. Hope to see you there. And if you can, hey, join us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Cracks in brick? Cracks in block? Call Alabama Professional Services. Leaning or bowing basement walls? Call APS. Sticking windows or doors? Call APS. Settling or sinking foundation? That's right. Call APS. It's a fact. Foundation problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.